the hell are you doing? Are you serious? Horse driver.
Wow.
I sing, what's the matter you? You sing, hey, and I sing the rest.
What's that?
We can all
This is an espresso machine. This is a water heater.
shut up with your face.
It's a stop sign.
Minutes out of an hour-long show is briefly. During these 7 minutes, he called him Karen. He said the only 2 A's that Karen Rogers got in college were in his first.
He done the same.
He called him hamster-brained, etc., etc. It was solid material.
Save that one.
Tamping the thing down.
That one's for Scotty.
Say, just not
Yeah, that
doing
one's
his
for
regular
Scotty.
appearance on the big.
You damn right, wise ass.
Sleeveless patch show this week. Rogers went
Now he's
on
going
and
to go out the
naturally
road and he's going to go over.
blamed the media,
Where's he going?
never realizing if you get paid to be on TV, you, sir, are the
And
media.
that's for Scotty.
Yep.
Rogers denied he had implied that Jimmy Kimmel was on the Epstein list.
No
and then he
number
explained
plates.
that
No
wasn't the
number
real list
plates,
anyway.
no insurance, no
Then
nothing.
he attacked
He
the
keeps
executive
looking
who
back.
defended him, Mike Voss. I don't understand Mike Voss's comment because he didn't help out either, said Rogers. And I mean this sincerely.
I think he's
needs
got a
to put
camera
it
on
in
the
the
side of his
eye
helmet.
brain and fast. Mike, you're not helping.
Now, if I had had the
Continued, because I just
Mitsubishi, I
read
would have hit him.
earlier exactly what I said.
With the bull,
And this is
the
the game plan
bull,
of the media.
with the
This is
nudge
what
bar,
they
I would have
do.
gone for it.
Aaron is in charge of their show.
He's looking
And I
back.
have been in media for 44 years full time. I said this earlier, I'll repeat
He's up
it.
on the
It may
footpath
not
now.
look like this at first, but management in television particularly,
There he is. There he is.
always ultimately sides with management.
Go through.
And if there are 2 camps about Pat McAfee and Aaron Rodgers at ESPN, these 2 rockheads just...
Yep, that's all the red, buddy. Nice work, Tesla. What are you doing? Cross the solid line. Nice work, mate. That's for you, Scotty.
Much later.
What are you fucking doing, dickhead? What a fucking clown.
Are you fucking serious? Oh. here. Oh, oh.
Like your brain, not only has it shrunk, but it's disappeared.
Oh, the prick.
That is he fucking stupid?
Oh yeah, watch a bit of TV. Got a cooking video or something, is it? Awesome. Okay, now stop. I quit. Fucking you right there, buddy. Naughty boy.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Oh, wow. What the fuck? Stop it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What in the world are you doing, lady? Fuck me dead.
Girl, I'm about to have a panic attack. I just don't.
What in the world? Just letting you know I got that all on camera.
That's fine.
The whole thing on camera.
You drove around.
No, yeah, I drove around you because you stopped in the middle of the road. You stopped in the middle of the road. There she goes. There she goes.
She belongs to the streets.
Emotional, damn it!
Oh, now I know why. We have an accident. We have something hitting a pole.
Just happened too.
Looks like.
You can't park there, Dave.
Red light runner. Someone's not fucking paying attention. You're an idiot.
Where did he go?
What behind us?
Hey, hi Mary, is this about cleaning?
Wow. Another Muppet. Rushing to get to Aldi. Where are you going? I'm in the left turn lane, mate, seriously. Fucking cockhead. Fucking stupid. What a fucking cockhead.
The baggage that I should have walked away from. Years of my life wishing I was someone different, looking for some validation. Years of my life trying to fill a void, pretending I was simple. They did it. Unnecessary evil, difficult to go through, use but beneficial. Someone telling me a mental breakdown is a negative.
Across regional Victoria, including in Geelong,
That's not good.
standstill with new rules coming into place. Tradies will be banned from moving between Metro Melbourne and regional centres.
Right? The fuck is it with fucking Bunnings fucking customers?
Hey, Scotty's Car Cams, here's another one for you. Another car blocking an entranceway to a laneway. And I'm on a mobility scooter, and again I can't get to where I need to go. So please shame this bastard online. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Shame, shame, shame!
She was now charged with conspiracy to commit murder and the first-degree murder of 5 residents from Alpine Manor.
What the fuck?
Gwen's defense that further charges were brought against Gwen. She was now charged with conspiracy to commit murder and the first-degree murder of 5 residents from Alpine Manor. Gwen's defense team were almost certain she would be acquitted. There were no washcloth used.
No, there's an accident. Oh.
Samia and Ali wanted to have children. With this in mind, Samia returned to Bradford to
It's your fucking donkey!
They could think of no reason why.
Decibel said maybe a DJ doing the set. DJ doing the set. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
One person coming down a one-way street.
Huh?
That person over there was going the wrong way down a one-way street.
What the fucking hell, dude? Fucking 2 for the price of 1.
WSFM.
bastard.
It's a big one for Scotty. So you'd have 2 cars to send into Scotty.
You see it from the back.
Sweet. Here it comes. Yeah, that's it. Give it a kick. Yeah.
Scotty likes those.
That was a weird one we saw out in the middle of nowhere.
I think I'm gonna do it. I just saw a sight. There he is. Balloons going up early in the morning. Fine Sunday morning. Come on, Skips. Move over. You gotta move. No, don't go this way. Go the other way.
More tickets to the latest fun-filled movies. So what are you waiting for? Book your tickets now at Hoyts.com.
Go on, Skip.